Hello, my name is Mark Weiss, hair and makeup artist here in New York City in the freelance. I work in commercial print, fashion, and entertainment celebrity. I've been asked by a few different people, how do I spot a perm when they're walking on the street, in the subway, looking at different people? I think what they're really thinking is, they want a perm and maybe they want to, find somebody who has a good one. The one thing that I do know from doing hair for 22 years is that when somebody gets a perm, the curls are very uniform. So what you can actually see is most of all the curls are done exactly the same size and everything else. When you have longer hair, there's different kind of wraps, but usually it'll be very symmetrical, where it could be a little bit less at the top and more at the bottom, or it could be curls exactly the same everywhere. That is really how I would really spot a perm, because a natural curl is not always uniformly the same all over. Usually people who have curly hair will have smaller curls right up here into the front quadrant of their hair, maybe about 2 inches into the hairline. And then the curl usually is pretty non-symmetrical, coming from the top to the bottom, as well as just different places in the head will be much curlier, be like the size of your pinky, or, it could be the size of your thumb. It really depends. So that is how you would spot a perm. My name is Mark Weiss. Thank you for watching. We'll see you again soon.